Hi students, today I am doing the problems from the topic algebra of vectors. Write down a unit vector in xy plane making an angle of 30 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Solution. This is xy plane. This is the point O. Write down a unit vector. Let us take this is a unit vector here. OP bar is a unit vector. Then the length of OP is always equal to 1. Let magnitude of OP vector equal to 1. It makes an angle 30 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. This vector OP makes an angle 30 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Now draw PM perpendicular to x-axis. Let angle MOP equal to 30 degrees. Let PXY be any point in the plane. Let PXY be any point in XY plane. The length of OM equal to X and MP equal to Y. We know that OM vector is always equal to X into I cap and MP vector is always equal to Y into J cap. Then by triangle law we say that OP vector equal to OM vector plus MP vector equal to OM vector equal to we have X into I cap. OM vector equal to X into I cap and MP vector equal to Y into J cap. So it can be taken as X into I cap plus Y into J cap. Now here we have to find the length of OM here. Clearly the length of OP equal to 1. Now from triangle OMP cos 30 equal to OM upon OP equal to OM upon OP equal to the length of OP equal to we have 1. It implies OP equal to 1. So equal to 1. Therefore OM equal to we have cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Now find the length of MP. Take sin 30 here. Sin 30 degrees equal to MP by OP. MP equal to Y, OP equal to 1. So here Y equal to sin 30. Y is nothing but MP here. Therefore MP equal to we have sin 30 equal to which is nothing but Y equal to 1 by 2. OM equal to X. Therefore OP vector we have to find out. The unit vector OP bar equal to xi cap plus yj cap. So here x into I cap plus y into j cap. The length of x equal to we have root 3 by 2 into I cap plus 1 by 2 into j cap. Therefore the unit vector in the xy plane which makes an angle 30 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis is always equal to root 3 by 2 into I cap plus 1 by 2 into j cap. ABCD is a parallelogram. If the coordinates of A, B, C are 2, 3, 1, 4 and 0, -2 respectively, find the coordinates of the vertex D. Here this is a parallelogram ABCD. The point A is given by 2, 3 and the point B given by 1, 4. Point C is given by 0, -2. Now here we have to find the coordinates of D. So let the coordinates of D equal to x, y. Let the coordinates of D be x, y. Now this is AB vector and it is BC vector, and here we have CD vector. Always in a parallelogram we know that AB vector is always equal to DC vector. So here from the diagram take AB vector equal to DC vector. These two are opposite sides of a parallelogram. When point A is given, take it as OA vector here. OA vector is given by 2i cap plus 3j cap. OB vector equal to I cap plus 4 into j cap. OC vector equal to 0 into I cap minus 2 into j cap. OD vector equal to x into I cap plus y into j cap. Now find AB vector, also find DC vector. Equate these two. So here AB vector equal to OB vector minus OA vector. OB vector equal to I cap plus 4 into j cap minus OA vector equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap equal to I cap minus 2i cap equal to minus I cap, 4j cap minus 3j cap equal to plus j cap. Now DC vector equal to OC vector minus OD vector. Here OC vector equal to 0 I cap minus 2j cap minus OD vector equal to x into I cap plus y into j cap equal to minus x into I cap minus y minus 2 into j cap. Since these two are equal vectors, we can take AB vector equal to DC vector. It implies AB vector is equal to minus I cap plus j cap equal to DC vector equal to minus x into I cap minus y minus 2 into j cap. So here x minus x equal to minus 1. It implies x equal to 1. Now here the coefficient of j cap equal to 1 equal to minus y minus 2. So y equal to minus 1 minus 2 equal to minus 3. Therefore, the coordinates of D are 1, minus 3. Third problem. The two vectors j cap plus I cap and 3i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap represent the sides AB vector and AC vector respectively of a triangle ABC. Find the length of the median through A. Solution. Here we have a triangle ABC. Now two vectors are given. AB vector is given by given that AB vector equal to j cap plus I cap. Next we have AC vector equal to 3I cap minus j cap plus 4 into k cap. AC vector equal to we have 3I cap minus j cap plus 4 into k cap. Now find the length of the median through the point A. Take the midpoint of BC, that is D. Now we have to find the length of the median AD. Now here AD vector is always equal to AB vector plus AC vector by 2. Since D is the midpoint of BC, AD vector is always equal to AB vector plus AC vector by 2. AD vector equal to AB vector plus AC vector upon 2. Midpoint formula. So here AB vector equal to, we have j cap plus I cap plus AC vector equal to 3I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap upon 2. So j cap minus j cap 0. So here we have 4I cap plus 4k cap upon 2 equal to 4 common, I cap plus k cap 2 2's, so equal to 2I cap plus 2k cap. Now we have to find the length of this median now. Length of the median through A equal to magnitude of AD vector equal to square root of 2 square plus 2 square equal to square root of 4 plus 4 equal to root 8 equal to 2 root 2. Therefore, the length of the median through A is always equal to 2 root 2. Fourth problem, if A vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and B vector equal to 2I cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap represent two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, comma, find unit vectors parallel to the diagonals of the parallelogram. This is the parallelogram we have. A, B, C, D. A vector and B vector represent two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Take AB vector equal to A vector here and BC vector equal to B vector, and AD vector is also equal to B vector only, and DC vector is also equal to A vector only. Let AB vector equal to A vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3 into k cap. One more side you take it as BC vector equal to B vector here. B vector equal to 2I cap plus 4 into j cap minus 5k cap. Now one diagonal is AC here. From the diagram, by triangle law, we have AC vector is always equal to AB vector plus BC vector. So here AC vector is always equal to AB vector plus BC vector. AB vector equal to A vector here plus BC vector equal to, here we have B vector, equal to, take the sum of these two, 3 I cap plus 6 into j cap minus 2 into k cap. We have one diagonal here. The unit vector along AC bar is always equal to AC cap. Unit vector parallel to AC vector equal to AC cap. The formula for AC cap equal to AC vector by mod AC vector. Here we have AC vector equal to 3 I cap plus 6 into j cap minus 2k cap upon square root of magnitude of AC vector square root of 3 square plus 6 square plus minus 2 whole square equal to 3 I cap plus 6 into j cap minus 2 into k cap upon 9 plus 4 so equal to square root of 49 we have, so equal to 3 I cap plus 6 into j cap minus 2k cap upon 7. Now here we have to find one more diagonal here. Now the another diagonal is BD vector here. By triangle law we can take AB vector plus BD vector equal to AD vector. AB vector plus BD vector equal to AD vector. Now here we have to find BD vector. So BD vector equal to AD vector minus AB vector. Here AD vector equal to, we have B vector minus AB vector equal to A vector. It's given by B vector equal to 2 I cap plus 4 into j cap minus 5 into k cap minus A vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3 into k cap equal to 2I cap minus I cap equal to I cap, 4j cap minus 2j cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap minus 3k cap minus 8k cap. Unit vector along BD vector equal to BD cap equal to BD vector by modulus of BD vector equal to, here BD vector equal to, we have I cap plus 2j cap minus 8k cap upon square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 8 whole square equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 8k cap upon 64 plus 4 plus 1 square root of 69. Therefore, the unit vector along AC vector is always equal to, we have 3 I cap plus 6j cap minus 2k cap upon 7. The unit vector along the another diagonal BD vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 8k cap upon square root of 69. Fifth problem, find the value of x for which x into I cap plus j cap plus k cap is a unit vector. We know that unit vector means the magnitude of the given vector is always equal to 1. So, solution, given that magnitude of x into I cap plus j cap plus k cap equal to 1. It implies we have x into I cap plus x into j cap plus x into k cap equal to 1. From this we say that magnitude of this vector is always equal to square root of x square plus x square plus x square equal to 1. It implies square root of 3x square equal to 1 equal to root 3x equal to plus or minus root 3x equal to 1. Now it implies x equal to we have plus or minus 1 by root 3. This is the final answer. Let u vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap, v vector equal to minus 2i cap plus j cap, and w vector equal to 4i cap plus 3j cap. Find scalars x and y such that w bar equal to x into mu vector plus y into v vector. It's given that w vector equal to x into u vector plus y into v vector. So here w vector can be taken as 4i cap plus 3j cap equal to x into u vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus y into v vector equal to minus 2i cap plus j cap. It implies 4i cap plus 3j cap equal to multiply with x into I cap plus 2x into j cap minus 2y into I cap plus y into j cap. Now here take I cap common here, x minus 2y. Next to take j cap common into 2x plus y. Now you take it as 4i cap this side, then we have x minus 2y minus 4 into I cap plus 2x plus y minus 3 into j cap equal to null vector. Since I cap and j cap are non-collinear vectors, we can take x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. By solving these two equations, we get the values of x and y. Now here, multiply this one by 2. Equation 1, equation 2. X minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Multiply this one by 2. 4x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. So 5x minus 10 equal to 0. X equal to 2. X minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to 2. So 2y equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 1. Therefore, the values of x and y are 2 and minus 1 respectively.